Hi, this is Lilly from New Woman, and welcome to my page. It has been an amazing week indeed, and I just want to share something that has inspired me during the week, and that is relationships. I want to talk about relationships and how it has affected me in a way that I'm really keen to share with you. So relationships are not only with your partners or your wife or your husband, but relationships that you have with people are so important. Families, friends, neighbors, anyone that you meet. And I think it's very, very important that I do share this with you. I don't know if you'll find it important, but for me, I find it that it will be important to share it. I believe that in life, the most important thing is relationships and how we make someone else feel about themselves. It's not how you're going to feel about what you've done for that person, but how they are going to feel about what you've said to them or what you've done for them. So that's mainly what I wanted to just share, that it's so important to always treat someone the best that you can, that you would like to be treated. Let's put it that way. So whatever someone is saying to you or you're saying to them, make sure, now that one doesn't make sense, but I think it's the impact of what you say to someone that leaves them with something beautiful. They're going to feel great and be inspired, and they're left with this, just this awesome feeling about you and remembering that you said that to them. So whatever you do say something beautiful, say something inspiring, say something nice, but not to over say it in a way that's just being too nice, but say it in a genuine way that you really mean it. So any relationships that, or anybody that you come across, anybody, do say things that are going to leave them feeling good about themselves. Regardless what your circumstance has been, just impact them with something about you that you can leave with them. So that's all I had to share is relationships. Anybody you meet, don't look at them and say, oh, I'm not going to say anything to that person, but you'll be surprised that person you spoke to, you've just lifted them up for the day. They could be having a bad day, but you came across in a way that you touched them. So in my saying, say good morning to them, say good evening to people, say hi, how's your day going? Anything like that you can say to someone will leave them feeling so good about themselves, and even a beautiful smile as well. Regardless, like I said again, how something can look bad, or any situation, try and always see the good side in things. Always see what is not seen by the human eye, but see something more beautiful than what it actually is. I don't know if I'm making sense to you, but what I'm trying to explain is making sense to me. So do take that on board, and I guess, just be yourself. And that's all I can share with you today. So thank you for coming on my page. I look forward to seeing you again. Don't forget to subscribe onto my videos, and don't forget to click onto my links below this video. And hey, I'll catch you again, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Okay, cheers. Bye.